you can see, I'm at Dublin Connolly Station. And over there in platform 7 we have a train going to Drogheda. And we're with Robbie again. Hey Robbie, how you doing, love? Nice. Now we're in platform 2, we have 201 Castle number 227 on a 1520 Enterprise service to Belfast Central. See, if I zoom in, you can see her nameplate there, River Lawn. And we have a 29,000 class looker on platform 1, and on CR on platform 3. Originally we were planning to go to Park West and Cherry Orchard today, but due to a bus dispute, most services to or from Heuston got delayed. So we decided to come here instead and go to here and Dublin Pierce. And as you see, we have a train to Greystones in 5 minutes. And I'll see you soon.